Bowman Chrome. Goodbye, guys. And Bowman Chrome next up, like it says, fresh case absolute. After absolute will be triple threads. Fresh case triple threads. Case it back in play. Alright. Rafael Devers kicks us off. Braden Bishop. Autograph right off the bat. Purple. Jesus Sanchez. For the Tampa Bay Rays. First Bowman card. Out of 250. That is 81 of 250. Mike Trout, Sonny Gray. Tampa Bay. Trent Clark, Andrew Moore. Dustin Fowler, Carson Fulmer, Manny Margot. Brian Anderson, Bryson Brigman, Gold Refractor, Trevor Clifton for the Cubs out of 50. .34 of 50, Gold Refractor, Trevor Clifton, Cubs, Chicago. That's Joey Batista and Chris Archer. Garrett Stubbs, Jason Groom, Gleyber Torres, Fall Classic, Ramel Tapia. Richard Urena, Ryan McMahon, Adonis Medina, Mitch Haniger, Zach Britton. Tuki Toussaint, Brent Honeywell, Green, Michael Fulmer for the Detroit Tigers out of 99. Schwarber and Altuve. Kevin Kramer, Steven Duggar, and base auto, good one though, for the Phillies, Sixto Sanchez. First Bowman card, Philadelphia Philly, Sixto Sanchez. Brandon Marsh, Jose Alberto, Dane Dunning, Trey Turner, Aaron Judge. Aaron Judge goes over here. Sixto Sanchez, Anthony Kay, Green Shimmer, Brent Honeywell out of 99, 40 of 99. Tampa Bay Rays. And Felix and Jeff Hoffman. Michael Kopech, Juan Soto, Yoan Moncada, Masahiro Tanaka. Paul DeJong, Jacob Faria, Carson Kelly, Ryan Braun, and Trevor Story. Starring Heredia, Jesus Sanchez, Refractor, Kyle Schwarber, Cubbies out of 499. That is 377. And Bogart's Paul Goldschmidt. Box 2. Albert Abreu, Delvin Perez, gold refractor auto, Josh Spores for the Dodgers. 4/50. Josh Spores.
Give me that tape. Thank you.
We'll one touch that because that is gold refractor auto. Yo Mancada. We got a shiny blue. Anthony Bonda, Adam Ravenville, Joe Jimenez, blue refractor Adrian Beltre out of 150 for the Texas Rangers. Jordan Montgomery. Purple refractor Steven Duggar, Giants. Out of 250. Selman, Brian Dozier. Devers, Braden Bishop. Cody Bellinger. Fall Classic. Or Fall League, whatever. Cabrera and Seager. Andrew Moore, Brian Anderson, Luis Castillo, David Ortiz, Mike Trout. Bryson Brigman, Garrett Stubbs, Wander Javier out of 499 prospect. Twins, Minnesota. Sonny Gray, Manny Margot. Richard Urena, Jason Groom. Base auto for the Pirates, Mitch Keller. Pittsburgh on the board. Darcy Fulmer, Joey Bats. Ryan McMahon, Tuki Toussaint, Bo Bichette, Chris Archer, Will Myers. Purple, Brent Honeywell, Kevin Kramer. Rowdy Tellez, Purple Shimmer. Toronto, those are not numbered for some reason. I don't know why. Ramel Tapia, Mitch Haniger. Steven Duggar, Brandon Marsh, Tyler O'Neill, Zach Britton, Kyle Schwarber. Jose Alberto Sixto, Paul DeJong, Jose Altuve, Noah Syndergaard. Anthony Kay, Michael Kopech, and variation of Tyler Glasnow for the Pittsburgh Pirates rookie. Variation post, Robbie Cano, Trey Turner. Box 3. Gleyber Torres, Jonathan Arauz, Heath Quinn, refracting auto for the Giants out of 499. 33 of 499. Heath Quinn. It's not his first, though. Not his first. Joshua Lowe, Lindsey, Alec Hansen, Mark Melancon, Josh Donaldson. Domingo Acevedo, Bobby Bradley. Blue, 70th. Franklin Perez, first Bowman card. Not numbered, though. Houston, Bregman, and Reyes. Nick Gordon, Mark Zagunis, DJ Stewart for the Orioles. Ron Healy, Joe Jimenez. Scott Kingery, Leody Taveras, Dustin Fowler, Garrett Cole, Gary Sanchez. Green, Torrey Hunter, Yasniel Diaz, and green is Chris Archer for the Tampa Bay Rays out of 99. 83 of 99. Tampa Bay. Terso Ornelas, Ian Anderson. Auto base for the Angels, David Fletcher. Base auto, Angels. Nolan Arenado, Manny Machado. Rowdy Tellez, Jacob Nix, Adonis Medina, Greinke, Ledmus Diaz. Yadier Munoz, Derek Fisher, Shimmer, Brandon Marsh for the Angels. Purple Shimmer, Angels. Not numbered though. Harper and De Leon. Josh Boers, Reggie Lawson, Alex Verdugo, Amir Garrett. Ona, Fisher, Dunning, Cody Bellinger, and Beltre's behind Cody. DJ Peters, Basabe, and Jonas Cespedes refracting out of 499 Mets. And then we got Buxton and Eric Hosmer. The Hosmer. Last box mojo. Then we go into Absolute. After Absolute, it'll be that fresh case triple threads. And then it should be football. I don't know what football will be after that. So it goes. There's Austin Hayes as a big boy. Autograph for the Dodgers, Starling Heredia. It's just base though. Need color of him. He's very good if you get color, I know that. Verlander, Chris Sale. But the Dodgers have big of that gold spores. Paddock, Khalil Lee, Carson Kelly, Pujols, Steven Piscotty. Eisen Diaz, Justin Dunn, Brian Reynolds, purple out of 250 for the Giants. There it is, 51 of 250. Dansby, Jorge Alfaro. Rob Kaminsky, Forrest Whitley, Ian Happ, Josh Bell, Christian Arroyo. Eloy Jimenez, Max Poise, Ronell Rods, Villar Correa. Thomas Neal, Miguel Angel Siena, Jamison Fisher, refractor out of 499 for the Shy Sox. First Bowman card, Andrew Miller, Jose Quintana. Heath Quinn, Dewell Lugo, and base auto for the Oakland Athletics, Daniel Gossett. Daniel Gossett. Ichiro. Kaboom, Yasel Latuna, Adrian Rondon, Ulieski Guriel. Blue Shimmer is first Bowman card. Yasel Antuna out of 150. Blue Shimmer. No worries, bud. Out of 150 for the Nationals. Yasel Antuna. Sam Travis, Austin Riley, Brett Phillips, Abreu, and Longoria. Brian Reynolds, Nick Senzel, Romero, Benintendi, Arcia. And Mitchell White, Victor Robles. Purple refractor for the Pirates, Gregory Polanco. Out of 250. Tyler Glasnow's base, and Odubel Herrera. And that wraps it up. Next up will be Absolute.